The patient entry.
At the Sonam Nurbu Memorial Hospital, Leh. With this, I would like to welcome and request Chief Executive Officer, Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council, Leh, Shri Shrikant Balasaheb Suseji, IAS, to please give a welcome speech.
सबसे पहले आज के कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि ऑनरेबल चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिलर LSDC ले एडवोकेट ताशी ग्यालसन साहब का मैं वेलकम करना चाहूँगा, जिनके कर कमलों द्वारा आज MRI यूनिट का इनाग्रेशन किया गया। इसके साथ ही यहाँ पे उपस्थित ऑनरेबल एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिलर ताशी यागजी साहब का भी मैं वेलकम करता हूँ। इसके साथ में श्री पवन कोतवाल, प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ एंड मेडिकल एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट UT लद्दाख, सर आपका भी मैं इस मौके पे स्वागत करता हूँ। इसके साथ ही यहाँ पे उपस्थित हमारे XCC श्री ग्याल साहब का भी मैं स्वागत करता हूँ, जिनके कार्यकाल में MOU साइन हुआ था LSDC ले और एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया के बीच में, और जिनका मेन कंट्रीब्यूशन इस MRI यूनिट के इंस्टॉलेशन में रहा है। एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव यहाँ के APD ले एयरपोर्ट श्री मलकीत सिंह जी, इनका भी मैं स्वागत करता हूँ। इसके साथ ही MD NHM डायरेक्टर हेल्थ और यहाँ पे उपस्थित अन्य मान्यवर का भी मैं स्वागत करता हूँ। इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में ब्रीफ में मैं 2 लाइन बताना चाहूँगा कि 11 सितंबर 2019 को LSDC ले और एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया के बीच MOU हुआ था, जिसके तहत CSR में एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया ने 12 करोड़ 78 लाख की लागत के तहत ये 1.5 टेस्ला कैपेसिटी के हमारे यूनिट का इंस्टॉलेशन यहाँ पे हुआ है। इसके साथ ही जो MRI यूनिट के अदर कॉस्ट है, बिल्डिंग और बाकी कॉस्ट के लिए डिस्ट्रिक्ट कैपेस से हमने अभी तक 1 करोड़ 30 लाख का फंड अवेलेबल करवाया था, जिसके तहत बाकी काम हुआ है, और भी जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट कैपेक्स के थ्रू पूरा करने की हमारी कोशिश है। तो मुझे खुशी है कि आज ये हमारा यूनिट हमारे लेह डिस्ट्रिक्ट के और लद्दाख के वासियों के लिए आज हम समर्पित कर रहे हैं, और मुझे आशा है कि इसका लाभ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यहाँ के सिटीजन्स को होगा। फिर से मैं सारे यहाँ पे उपस्थित गेस्ट का स्वागत करता हूँ। थैंक यू।
MRI, like CT scan, have similar uses. Like CT scan uses X-ray and ionizing radiations with potential to affect biological tissues, while MRI uses strong magnetic fields and radio waves. CT scan is more common and less expensive, while MRI scans are not invasive but they are noisy, take more time and cause claustrophobia, generating anxiety. MRI scanner may cause safety issues due to its strong magnetic field, due to reaction to metallic like cardiac pacemaker, aneurysm clips, body implants, and any metallic devices that can interact with the magnetic field. MRI scans are principally used for imaging detailed pictures of organs such as reproductive system, soft tissues, ligaments, nerves, blood vessels, and other features that are more difficult to see with CT scan. CT scan allows you to see the entire brain anatomy and produce clear picture when examining spinal cord. MRI doesn't use ionizing radiation and is thus preferred over CT scan in children, pregnant ladies, and patients requiring multiple imaging examination like whole body and whole spine. MRI contrasts have a considerably smaller risk of causing potentially lethal reaction. MRI allows the evaluation of structure that may be obscured by artifacts from bones in CT scan. To summarize, CT scan and MRI scans are two methods of imaging internal parts. They have similar uses but produce picture in different ways. CT scan use X-rays while MRI scan use strong magnetic and radio waves.
Celebrating this moment of inauguration of MRI machine at Sonamdurbu Hospital, Leh. Really, this is a privileged moment for me to be with you all. I could find out from Google that this hospital is Ladakh is providing indoor medical services since 1940, but now it's 2021. We are having this equipment, obviously given supported by Airports Authority of India, which is looking after 137 airports in India and doing its service to the nation through corporate social responsibilities in many terms. This is one of the occasions, at least in Nubra Valley, Airports Authority of India is having special affection for this area. We are having 4 projects of CSR in this area. One is obviously this MRI scheme, in which we have allotted about 12.77 crore rupees for that. And we have already paid 90% of the amount, and 10% amount is to be paid after this inauguration and after utilization certificate is received from office. Another, we had solid waste management in Ladakh that was costing about 62 lakh rupees. Then milk pasteurization plant was there, that was 49.8 lakh rupees. And we have provided ultrasound machines in Nubra as well as Khalsi, and we are likely to provide one digital X-ray machine also. Obviously, though it is a statutory requirement as per Indian Act, you have to spend 2% of your last 3 years average profit in case you are having profit of something around 50 crores or more, or if you are a company of 500 crores or more. But the selection of the area and selection of the facilities which are given, that makes a lot of difference. And obviously I expect in this area this was a very big requirement, because we are having trekkers also, mountaineers also, and winter track also. So at times this is one of the best medical equipment which we can have in Lura. I am here for the last 7 months. The best thing which I have felt is the affection of the people. Everybody is so simple and everybody is so cooperative and everybody is so forthcoming to help. This is one, please keep it up. Please keep it up. I mean, this is the best culture which I have ever seen in my life.
Today is really a very important day in the history of this hospital, because the topmost of the facility of an MRI has been just installed and commissioned today here. And as we have been told by the concerned specialist that this is a technique, or this is an equipment which can show the inside of the body without any much exposure to radiation. Because we started with X-rays. X-ray was a revolutionary thing in its own day, when you could see what is inside the body. But it had its limitation. There was an exposure due to X-ray which was harmful to the body. It could lead to some problems, like even some cancerous things. Then came the CAT scan, which was a much advanced than the X-rays, but it also, it's also works around the X-ray radiations or the radiations. But now it is a magnetic equipment, I am told, and though I am a qualified doctor, but not a radiologist. So this is a high-end thing, and this is the desire of, this is the purpose of desire, the objective of the government, the LSDC here, the administration here, that Ladakh should get the best of the facilities which are available.
Kangin lam ngata tem dual pin butkan lo na teng lam bodiring ka dup ten MRI toshik machine chen mo kaw ketena ngata diagnose chola chijik zimo ngata gyus chola tenang ku ga MRI sang mga ngekhalna shukcha jos machine jik ngata diring daksa medano tene tezos machine mun diring Ladakh se nangkuga tenang na khas kar ngata SNM hospital nangkuga diring ngata install chwa zateno tene iwe kane demba rang ngata khas kar ngata nyamshung nang yalbachan muna iwe kane ma phantok chenbo thopjezno chezana test chundi kana diagnose dema ma chechesla ngata I kana Delhi tos muna refer chogo sapin ngata tezos obgyal thoat pin magar daksa I tos obgyal munang ngata Metkan cheneno yang ngata Ladakh se khamje transport forces la ngata iru chagla tarung mangpo zat goshe jotono SNM hospital mun ngata world class chola ngata tenangku tarung ngata chalak mangpo ngata chagla zat goshe jotono teo changma Ladakh se mimangla local pulat Ladakh raskyong chokspe sto kotena ngata Ladakh se mimang se khamjeo transport lushik zerkan mongaje tenna ostawa kuten tenna weka ngaje chagla zatche se masante stonduzin tenang nyang ngata nyamshung nyalbachan Fuxla Dukanuna, Izox Nata, Kamsdenang, Delpe Nata, Obgalmun, Tong Michukches Pongaje, Tangmesamba, Stondu Chenmon, Tenama Revara, Baki Ladakse Mimasla, Yanskia Tena, Juain, King Atang Changma, Loste, Yekalenanga, Tamshik Nata, Kamsde Laskumanga, Last Shot, Teuning Nata, Katin Jet Ninches Medano, Teuna Tukjeche Jugoseno, Yanskia Natan Sama Tukjeche Jugoseno, Dan COVID Nadiamunanga, Tamshik Obgal Namstengata, Health Department Immunina, Charlas Zadzer. Mata jeches medano Yanskia Lampochik Ladakh Simimang se Chapskute Mata district Chamshik Nata health department youth health workers your doctors neta se paramedical ngeja changmala Yanskia Ladakh Simimang se Chapjuste ngeja Thugjeche Jule Katinche.
Our chief guest of the inaugural function, Honorable Chief Executive Councillor, Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council Leh, Advocate Tashi Gyaltsen Leh, Honorable Executive Councillor, Sheep and Animal Husbandry, Mr. Tashi Namgyal Yakzile, Principal Secretary Health, Dr. Pavan Kotwal ji, DC Leh, Shrikant Balasaheb Suse, Director Service Health Service, Director Airport, XCC, Shri Gyal Leh, BDC Leh, ADC Leh, CPO Leh, members of Philips Company Limited, and also members of Airport Authority of India, distinguished guests, Chief Medical Officer Leh, doctors and paramedics. It is a great honor for the administration and staff of SNM Hospital to have the MRI inaugurated by Honorable CC Shri Advocate Tashi Gyaltsen Leh. Sir, we thank you for gracing this occasion. I would like to thank Director Airport Leh, Mr. Malkeet, and Airport Authority of India for your generous donation from your CSR to buy the MRI machine. Sir, we are very thankful to you. The facility of MRI will not only help the people of Ladakh, but also help the tourists and the non-locals who visit Leh every year. This MRI machine will enhance the diagnostic capability of this hospital immensely. With its addition, we have also achieved a milestone for being the first district hospital in UT Ladakh having a MRI facility. I would like to thank the construction division of PWD for executing the civil works required for this installation. Lastly, I would like to thank Chief Executive Officer LAHTC Leh, Shrikant Balasaheb Suse, for guiding us and for making this program possible. I once again thank each one of you for attending this important function. Thank you.